Hello everyone, this is Mike with the Stock and Options Room at ShadowTrader. I'm very interested in taking a long trade in UPS and I want to show you why this morning. First of all, here on the weekly chart we have an area that is a pivot high that's been touched twice right now that is now acting as support where we are currently sitting at with the price. We also have this level right here that was respected here and here, which is above us. And so we need to note that as potential resistance. So those two lines are well established. And going forward now, we look at this and we see also that on the weekly scale, way down here at the bottom corner, you see that there is a rising RSI on a falling price. So we have a divergence going on here, which is not a signal in itself, but it is an indication that momentum is definitely slowing down. And so if I go into a daily, you can see that also on a secondary tier, there is a rising RSI on a daily scale as well with a falling price there. So with that being said, what I need now is confirmation that in a structure that will allow me to go long. So in this case, I know that we have earnings on October the 24th, so I'm going to be aware of that. But I'm still willing to take this trade if we can break out of this level of consolidation right here that is quite a few days long. So we had the earnings drop. I had a long trade in right here. I got out right before earnings, and I've been watching this. And now we have looked below this level right here and moved back up. And now I'm wondering if we're going to be able to get back up above this resistance, which is a problematic element to this trade, but I'm still willing to take a trade here down below it to see if I can get positioned for an anticipation of a potential move back up into the upside here. So it's a very low risk proposition. I think that there's potential that if it breaks this, we move on up and this could turn into a pretty nice asymmetric move to the upside, a very low risk, high reward proposition. So if it doesn't work, no big deal, just get right back out. This trend line right here is getting mature. It's been touched several times, so I don't anticipate that this would be too problematic, and I would believe that a price moving up here and succeeding in breaking this resistance would be definitely a ruling reason to hang on to the trade and not let this trend line be a problem. I don't think it will be a problem. There is a trend line up here. That one might start creating some resistance. I'm sure some bears would jump it there, but by then we can take some profits and see how it's going to develop. But anyway, there's a lot of good things and elements of this chart. Very clear risk reward, very clear area to get in and test the hypothesis, and then watch to see what happens going forward. So I thought I'd share that trade with you this morning and see what you thought and see if you wanted to do anything with that as well.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm one of the moderators for the new ShadowTrader Stock and Options Room. Thank you for joining me for this video today. And if you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe buttons below. You know, I'd like to invite you to join me in the new Stock and Options Room. We've got some good trades going, studying some great charts and learning some great stuff together. In general, there's a lot of great content there that I think you would benefit from. So, until then, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.